Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are doing my Beautylish Lucky Bag 2026 unboxing. I literally just got this a few days ago, so the timing is perfect. I'm going to be unboxing everything with you in real time, so no spoilers over here. I'll share what I got. I'll give you my first impressions, what realistically I see myself keeping and using. So if you love all things luxury beauty, curated collections, and honest reviews, you want to make sure that you are subscribed. So let's go ahead and get into it, shall we? All right, so we're getting into my Beautylish Lucky Bag for 2026. So I received my box on Monday. I was like waiting patiently for this to arrive because I'm curious. Like I always do this every year. I'll be sure to link my last year's unboxing video here for you so you can check that out. So I usually do this every year. I super excited whenever I place my order because like I want to know like, ooh, what am I gonna get? Is it a surprise? Or am I gonna be disappointed? So if you don't know anything about the Beautylish Lucky Bags, they release like the day after Christmas. I believe there's other variations of the bag. You can customize it based off your skin tone, light to medium, medium to deep, XL, Wayne Goss. I think they still have the Jeffree Star bags as well, but I just go for the XL. And that's supposed to be over $350 worth of products inside the bag, but we don't know what's in the bag. So we're about to find out. Was I lucky or not so lucky this year? This is a little bit different. This is the box. It's actually pretty bigger than what it normally is. So I'm like, oh, this better be a good box. So no spoilers. I'm literally about to open it. You can see it's still sealed. I am literally about to open it right now, and we're gonna get into the box. Yeah, so I'm not sure. I don't want to tell you what the exact price was, but it's like $150, and then you're getting a value of up to $350. So I will be sure to list the box value on screen so you'll be able to know what the value of the box is once we are done. Ooh. So as per the usual, it comes with the nice Lucky Bag paper, and then it talks about who was the artist that designed this year's bag. And it says, for 2026, we gathered a collection of good luck charms, each one a sign that luck can find you anywhere. We hope the surprises inside remind you that good things are already on their way. Yay! So super cute. I just absolutely love that. So adorbs. All right. So we're unboxing, and then it comes with this big old black wrapping paper that we're just gonna toss to the floor, and then you get your bag right here. So there is my Lucky Bag XL, and I just love the paper. So then that's pretty much everything that's inside the box. It is empty. I'm putting that down, and then we are going to open this up. So I just opened it up, and let's see, what am I gonna grab? The first thing that fell out. Of course, there's always something from every category inside the Lucky Bag. So the first thing that I have here is Orbe Serene Scalp Soothing Leave-On Treatment. I mean, I always get something from Orbe, and every year that I do that. No surprise there. Would I personally use this? No. Not because I don't like Orbe products. I have curly hair and I don't really need that. So unfortunately, this is not for me. And this is going into the I pass pile. All right, so next up, I have something from Slip. This is the Pure Silk Skinnies. These are little hair ties, and I love Slip. I love their products. So for me, this makes sense for me. I like to use these as ponytail holders. Yeah, so this is plus for me. I love that. I will be using that. So we're keeping that. Okay, keep on moving. This is RMS Beauty Living Luminizer. That's probably the shade name or something. I'm not familiar with this brand. I don't really use anything from this brand. Opening it up, and yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's Living Luminizer. So it's an luminizer, and I probably believe the shade is Living Luminizer. I'm not even going to test it because, yeah, this is definitely not my style, not something that I would use, but I'm definitely going to see who this is for, and it will go in the no pile for me. So the next thing that I have is a brush. So always something in there from Sonia G or Wayne Goss. You're always getting a brush. So I got a brush. And which brush is this? This is the classic crease blush. Brush. Sorry. So I love Sonia G brushes. I have a couple of them. And I have kept all of them that I have gotten in the previous years Lucky Bags. So yeah, this is definitely going to be a keeper for me. I will definitely use it because I love the brand. So next up is something from U Beauty. This is the Plasma Lip Compound. To use, apply a small amount to lips, spreading evenly as needed for external use only. Key ingredient, ceramide, hyaluronic acid, peptides. I will need some more time with this one to figure out if this is something that I will like. I haven't used anything from U Beauty before. This is probably like my first U Beauty, but I am familiar with the brand. They have some amazing products. So we're gonna put this in the test file. So we'll see. Next up, this is Grown Alchemist. This is the Skin Defense Primer. The U Beauty was in plastic, so I didn't really want to open that up. This is beauty from within, a holistic approach that awakens, enlivens, alchemizes. Okay. So I'm assuming this is a primer for your skin. Skin Defense Primer, Grown Alchemist. I've not used anything from this brand. Would I use it? Absolutely. I'm always on the hunt for a good primer to add into my rotation. So I am going to keep, this is going to be in my maybe pile. I mean, it makes sense because I'm always looking for primers, like if that's what this is. So this is the Natasha Denona My Mini Dream Palette. This is what the packaging is looking like. Let me open this up. I believe I have the full size palette of this, the big palette of this, and this is pretty everyday palette there from Natasha Denona. So cute. This I'm going to keep. This is going in my keep pile. Here we go. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. All right, so next up, I've gotten something from Danessa Myricks. Oh my gosh. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Groundwork Blooming Romance Palette. This is a multi-use palette that you can use for lips, cheeks, eyes, face, brows. It's like an all-in-one. This is definitely something that I would use. I love Danessa Myricks. Ooh. This is the palette. There's two. She had like a brown one, and then she came out with this Bloomin' Bouquet, which is gonna be more rose, berry tones. So yeah, I am here for it. This is going in my immediate keep pile. Definitely something that I am going to use, and I love Danessa Myricks, so I am here for it. So thank you. This is Good Molecules. You always get something from Good Molecules. I want to be like, this is their brand or like their home brand or something. So this is the Good Molecules Snow Glow Minis. This is a 4-piece kit to hydrate, improve appearance of pores, and brighten skin for the holidays. So you get a hyaluronic acid serum, you get a discoloration correcting serum, you get a niacinamide serum, and then you get a lightweight daily moisturizer. And so this is what it's looking like. And then you can kind of see the packaging right here on the screen, the 4 products that you're getting in the box. So overall, I definitely feel like I got a pretty decent bag. Again, I will have the box value on the screen. I got a little bit of mixed luxury. Am I surprised? Yes and no, because like every year you kind of expect to get like one product from each category, but I feel like I did pretty well as far as what I got. Is it worth it? I would say it is. Again, I will have the total value of the box on the screen to let you know that I do think it was worth it. I paid like $160 or so plus tax plus shipping, and then I'm getting over $300 worth of products. So definitely worth it. So the Danessa Myrix absolutely surprised me the most. Would I do it again? Yes, I do this every year. I always do it. I always get excited. I am just excited to have another bag and to be able to unbox that with you today. So let me know in the comments below, what are you most excited about in your lucky bags? What did you get? Did we get anything similar? Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. All right, guys, that's it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.